Hi, my name is Mike. I'm with Rainey Cleaning and Construction. Today I just wanted to show you my awesome work van. Put a lot of work into it, and to build it, I watched a whole bunch of different videos and different forums and things, and kind of compiled all of it together to do my own take on it. We do a lot of smaller construction projects, I would say even some handyman type stuff, but I think you'll like it, and let me show you what we got. Start on the side door here. And my daughter Brooklyn's filming today, so she's 8 years old, and yeah, so on the right here we have our ladder that slides in right here. I built the bottom floor up 6 inches across the whole thing. So on the right hand side here we have some storage, so I have a big step stool, I have 2 sawhorses, and then you can the platform I can stand up in. On the left here, I have a little storage area to hang tool belts as well as trash bags. This is a bucket I usually bring in on like quick little service jobs. I'll step inside and kind of show you guys more. From this side, at least. You can stay back there, Brooklyn. Can you see me okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So just to show you my system here, and then we'll go in the back and I'll show you that. Up here on the right, I built shelves for all this. So here's just, and again, I should say this is a working van. This is all relatively new build, so things might change in the future, but so far it's working really good, and I thought I'd show you what we got. Drywall texture. This is a biscuit joiner. I seem to do a lot of butcher block countertops and stuff, so I have that. Framing nailer, tile saw. This is our miter saw. I actually built this pretty cool. This little shelf that's on, it actually lifts up and the whole thing comes out, and the stand is behind it. Right here I have a whiteboard. On the whiteboard we can put things that we might need to get soon and later. And then I have our little bucket stands here. I really like this because if I have a job that I need a specific thing, so like up here is all the tile stuff, drywall stuff, more drywall stuff. This is more like finishing drywall, texture, and things like that. So if you need this for the job, you just pull the whole bucket out and you're ready to go. You got all your stuff you need. Also buckets, you know, as most people know, are super handy for all types of stuff that we do in construction. I'll come out and I'll show you the back side now, and then we can show you the rest of the inside part. So here's the back. Step back a little bit. All right, so over on this side of the van here, I built this kind of sheet good area. I like it quite a bit. I put this roller here, which I like a lot. You can just, if you need something, you just lift it up, set it on this roller, and you can slide it out real easily. I like that quite a bit. Right here I have some levels. I actually don't have a 72-inch one yet, but I built it there, so it just slides out and goes right there. And then I can put, can you back up a little bit? And then all right here, it's got 10-foot storage for any other like long goods, like roof flashing, drywall, edges, things like that. And then on this side of the van, you've got, you know, drywall, square, all different squares, tape storage, extension cord. Normally it has a broom right here. Right here I just built this as like little quick things you grab a lot, so tape measures, pens, knives, safety glasses, sunscreen, things like that. Down here is a track for using on the track saw. And then on the inside, I'm actually gonna take the phone here and I'll kind of show the inside real quick. So on the right here is the wall of caulk. It's got all different types of caulk and silicone. It also has just kind of random like fasteners, things like that. And then I have this whole Milwaukee wall of different fasteners as well. If I was to do it all over again, I would actually probably get these DeWalt things for the wall. I actually like this quite a bit. It kind of reminds me of like a workshop storage container solution. So these little things open up, and then if you're driving, you just click the top and they all seal. The pain with these is that if I want to get these screws, I have to take this whole thing off the wall, which I'll show you real quick just so you can see. I got these little pack out hook things on Amazon that they just click onto. But it's just kind of a pain that you have to sorry, they have to take that off each time you need a fastener. And then up on the top here, I just have more kind of storage. So paper towels, some extra buckets, masks, gloves, knee pads, drywall. There's like more drywall repair stuff. And I have a whole bunch of random like grout and Bondo, wood fillers, things like that. In the roof, I got these bungee cords that are holding like a knockdown knife, drywall hawk. Yeah, that's kind of the left side. Like I said, it's kind of a working project. Also, I have 2 new guys that kind of seem to throw stuff wherever they kind of feel like throwing it. On the left here, I'll go through that really quick. I have a mini fridge for drinks. We have this air compressor, which I absolutely love. It's super nice to have a quiet air compressor. Like once you go to a quiet one, it's game changing. Up here, got different painting supplies. Behind here, I actually have here's our sprayer, paint sprayer. I do a lot of cabinet refinishing too. And I know it's small, but I like how quick and easy it is to refill the little handheld one. It's a Graco. I forgot the exact model. I can post it in the comments. And then just, you know, tarps for drop cloths. I mean, more tape, pads, rollers, things like that. Then here's our little, like workbench thing. I built this in here. This is another thing that I probably would change. I would actually probably get like Harbor Freight actually has one that you slide your fingers over to open the cabinet door. This one is just loose. So it stays pretty good, most of them, but like this top drawer for some reason just slides out whenever I hit a turn. And I've actually had to replace the slides on this because it's broken a few times. Other than that, the workbench area is working pretty good. I like this little spot right here that I can just like work on something small if I need to. This is just like a little drill bit holder. I like how it's organized to easy, just grab the size you need rather than just have like a million of them. Up here we have a laser level fish or tape fish thing, fish tape, sorry. We got our Milwaukee radio and then just different other random things that I need quite a bit. So like little sanding blocks, shims, nails, saw, you know, all kinds of stuff. And then I also built these little shelves right here for kind of bigger tools. I intend to label all this, and like I said, it's kind of a building project or process. So, but then got our table saw down there, and then we have these Milwaukee pack out drawers, which work out pretty good. I still need to organize it a little bit better. But I like how everything is set up in here, like in theory. I just need to kind of just kind of find everywhere's home a little bit better. I mean, I don't know. I do like it. I just think it could be improved in some small areas. I'll show you all this. And then up here I have like all these like little Sawzall blades, a whole ton of batteries, and that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'd be happy to talk about anything that you have questions on. Thanks a lot.